Hello everyone. Although we have already discussed about hydrodynamics, the power generator, open cycle and closed cycle both. But here I am again going to discuss on these two topics in with this description from exam point of view, because the student has to write some salient features and points about the power generating plant like MSD plant and steam plant and some other plants. So although in the last videos I have shown you that block diagram in which the functioning and relativity and the flow of content with respect to each other that I have discussed already to you. But here, with the help of this block diagram, my attempt is to convey a message, the full functioning in brief and simple words. So that is this this shows the open cycle MSD system. In the open cycle MSD system, the working fluid is used once, and once the power is generated is adjusted to surrounding with the help of stake. As you can see here is adjusted to stake, and surrounding. And the coal is used as a combustion. Okay, where the coal is used to increase the to make ionization of gas, so that ionization of plasma gas is occur. And here some cesium and potassium doping is also used to increase the conductivity of that plasma, so that the power generations can be enhanced in MSD box. The help of Faraday's laws and a basic some principle which I have been told you earlier, and you are very well familiar about it. So basic functioning, basic laws and principle behind this. Now I am going to tell you about the components and their connectivity and the flow of fluid, how it's occur, and comparison of open cycle with closed cycle, and with respect to efficiency also. The working temperature open cycle is around 2300 to 1300 degrees centigrade. It's very high, so it is very difficult to handle the very hot and warm component, and very detrimental for workers also. It needs special care and attention. So one by one I am going to discuss about the basic component compressor. Actually, block diagram, as I have shown you earlier, block diagram, here the compressor provision is there, which compress the air surrounding air by utilizing the heat recovery from this point to you take this point to this combustor chamber, so that the exhausted air heat can be utilized to increase the primary temperature pre-temperature of surrounding air before entering inside the combustor. So this is the duty of compressor. Okay, and this can enhance the temperature of around 1100 degrees centigrade. And preheater, the utility of preheater, the same preheater is used to utilize the preheating the air with the capacity of 1000 degrees centigrade temperature. Combustor for combustion take place inside this nozzle. The provision of nozzle to enhance the conversion diversion nozzle, provision of conversion diversion to increase the velocity of plasma gases which is entering inside the MSD box. So that velocity can be enhanced up to 1000 meter per second. So this acceleration is quite sufficient for effective power generation with the help of as you can see here, VVD is a magnetic initial potential is a VVD, capital V is the magnetic field, V is the velocity of plasma. So this way this can help, velocity can help you to increase the power generation. Inverter increase DC produce DC electric current into AC current. So utility of this inverter is this gas chamber, as you can see a gas chamber here. So finally gas chambers, in order to remove out the harmful content which is going to expose to the surroundings, so just that must be removed out. So this is the utility of gas chamber over here. The heat recovery, as you can see here, a doping of cesium and potassium to increase the electrical conductivity of plasma substances. So they are also, they must be removed out again to utilize or recycle inside the inside this portion. so they must be removed out. So for this, seed recovery is there. Seed recovery is not speed recovery, it's a seed recovery. So make it correct now. So we can say this way we can say the working of open cycle. Now I am here. So as you can see here, the second heat exchanger, the utility of second heat exchanger is to convert water into steam, and the steam is utilized in the steam turbine to run the dynamo or the generating electricity or generating running compressor. So this way the outwaste heat is being utilized with the help of second heat exchanger, and after this the exhausted organ is again utilized in the cycle, in the flow cycle of in this flow cycle of organ, as you can see here. And this is a compressor with intercooler. Okay, the compressor is you compress this organ, and the compressed organ is going to combustor. Okay, and this way the combustor again is supplied to MSD, main MSD box. Okay, and with the doping of cesium and potassium. So this way this whole cycle is working. Now I'm going to tell you about the salient points related to this closed cycle MSD system, so which is to be noted as remark on your answer sheet on your notebook. So in this system, very high thermal efficiency is obtained in the closed cycle MHD system as compared to open cycle MHD system, where you can see the around in open cycle MHD system is work on 2300 degrees centigrade and around 2300 degrees centigrade, which is temperature is very high. So dealing with this type, dealing with that kind of dealing with this kind of apparatus is very difficult, and we have to go for some carrying units also to make to prevent some accident and detrimental effect. But in case of closed cycle MHD system, the maximum working temperature is around 1600 degrees centigrade. It is 1600 degrees centigrade. So, and as well as the very high pressurized air is used, so duct size is very small, means the setup becomes very compact. Second thing, helium or argon is used as a working fluid. So that they are helium and argon used as a working fluid, so they are heated up with the help of heat exchanger, as there is a provision of heat exchanger over here somewhere here, heat exchanger. So very less fuel consumption. So fuel consumption is very less as compared to the open cycle MHD system. So these are some basic advantages as over open cycle MHD system. The working fluid in a closed cycle seeded as cesium and potassium that enhance the conductivity of these plasma gases. Okay. So working fluid, ionized gas passes through the magnetic field to produce DC power, and DC power is converted into AC power with the provision of is a similar feature. This is not distinct feature. So combustion produces discharge to atmosphere after removal of the heat, and heat is utilized in heat exchanger, as I have told you here some point over here. So this is another one advantage. The provision of nozzle is very important. Here the provision of nozzle, because it can enhance the velocity of incoming air into MSD box. So the order of increment of the velocity is around 150 meter per second. 150 meter per second. So this is another one advantage. So as you can see here, VBD is generation of the electric field, V capital B is the magnetic field, V is the velocity of ionized gas, and D is the distance between the plates. So as per the magnitude of V, the velocity of gas, so obviously the power generation, electric generation will be high, is proportional to V also. And so electrical conductivity, metallic vapor is poor as compared to metallic vapor. That brings the overall conversion of efficiency lower than the heat of gas. So this brings the overall conversion efficiency lower than that of gas as a as a working substance. So this is another one advantage over open cycle energy system. Okay, so electrical conductivity metallic vapor is very poor. Metallic vapor is very poor, but in ionized gases electric conductivity very high. Okay. Okay, thanks. So if any query and questions, so you may ask with the help of WhatsApp number. So this is our closed cycle energy system. So difference between open cycle and closed cycle is this: here we utilize argon or neon or helium inert gases as a working fluid, and working fluid is being flown in a closed circuit. So because it's costlier one, and that's why a working fluid after producing power generation, after producing power is not going to diffuse in the surrounding. It is utilizing again in this closed circuit, and we can say it recycling again and again. So this is only the difference between closed cycle energy system and open cycle energy system. Because in open cycle the working fluid, once it is produce power, then it would be adjusted to surrounding. But in case of closed cycle, the working fluid like argon or helium uh, repetitive producing power and repetitively or recycling itself in a closed circuit. So this way, that's why it is termed as closed cycle energy system. Here you can see gasifier, where air, coal and system gasifier are used in the combustion chamber, and with the help of heat exchanger we are going to increase the temperature of inert gases, and the hike or increased high temperature inert gases going to MHD box, is the power generating box, and in between this bay we will dope this cesium or potassium element to increase the electrical conductivity of ionized gases, so that the power generation can be enhanced. And at the end or at the exit of this MHD generators, here the provision of next heat exchanger, which is going to utilize the way exist gases waste heat to convert water into steam. This way, as you can see here in this heat exchanger, so the gas coming out from MHD generators having some sufficient amount of heat energy, which is being utilized to convert water into steam, and this converted steam is supplied to steam turbine, which is used to run compressor as well as to run dynamo to generate electricity. So this way, with the same working fluid, we with the help of single working fluid we can produce power in two different mode, and with the mode of MHD and with the mode of thermal power plant. So this is again advantageous, that's why it having advantage over open cycle MIG system. In this the flow of steam, this is the loop of flow, is a flow loop of steam. As you can see here, water is coming from this point. After the expansion, water coming this point, and from this point coming to this point, and the heat exchanger again converts the steam. The steam is distributed point this point at this point. So this is the whole thermal power plant. This is coupled to thermal power plant with MHD plant. Okay, and rest of the things will remain same as an inverter to produce to convert DC current, produce DC current into AC current. And here the combustion product, CP is the combustion product. After combustion, CP combustion product is not going to dispose directly to surrounding. First it is taken to air preheater. So the air is coming for combustor, is the temperature is increased in air preheater with the help of this exhausted combustion product. So after utilizing their heat, then they dispose to surrounding through stake and chimney. So this way, this is the complete cycle of it, and various salient features of this closed cycle in fact and figures. Likewise, its operating conditions is around 1600 times solar 1600 degrees centigrade in place of 2300 degrees centigrade. So it's very second thing, the duct is very small. So the size of duct is small because very high pressurized air is used. So that is the reason of low small size accommodation of duct. So it makes our plant compact as compared to open cycle energy system. So here you can see this is the provision of compressor, which is utilizing the exhaust energy is coming from this, is coming with these exhaust gases or plasma gases. So here air preheater is here. Air preheater is utilize this exhausted energy to increase the temperature of surrounding air, and this preheated air is uh, is transferred to compressor. Compressor is used to compress this preheated air and then transfer to combustion chamber. So this way you can see the provision of compressor and role of compressor, and how the preheater is perform its own duty. So this way this perform its own function. So this is the simple working. And now switch to next type, that is our you can just it's a closed cycle MHD system. So as you can see here in this hello, as you can see this